In this tutorial, I'll create a visual in Photoshop and then bring it into Premiere Pro as a PNG and then animate it to make it look like the sword has energy. I'm going to create the effect in Photoshop. I'm going to make a new layer and turn off the background layer. I'm going to use the polygonal lasso tool to make a kind of blast, cartoony looking blast, and I want to fill that with white. Edit, fill, click on the contents drop down and click on white, and then click OK. I want to make a new layer using the selection that I have here, and I want to add in a yellow. Click on the foreground color, and with the color picker, drag this tab up to the yellow, and then take the circle and drag it all the way to the right top yellow area so you have a yellow, and then click OK. I'm going to get a soft round brush and make the brush around 175 pixels, and I'm going to brush around the sides so it looks like a blast. Command D to deselect. I'll save this as a PNG. File, Export, Quick Export as PNG. I'll name it Blast and put it in the Space Station Showdown folder. Click Save. There are a couple of areas that I want to add that blast to for my visuals. The first one is after Vortex says, prepare to meet your doom, and the sound effect goes off. When the sound effect happens, that's when I want the blast to show. In the folder, the blast PNG is right here. I'm going to drag it onto the timeline. Let's make it shorter. And this is going to happen really quick. Select it, and let's go to the effects control panel. And I want to reposition it. I want it to go over to the right a little bit and down a little bit to go over the sword. I want the scale to go down a little bit, like that size. That's nice. I want it to go up a little bit and over to the right a little bit and then down a little bit, like right over the sword. That's the position I want it to be when you see the fullness of the blast. So I'm going to click on Position and Scale to make those diamonds, and then go to the left a little bit and make the scale really small so we can't even see it, to 0. And then do an Option drag on that diamond and put it on the right side. So it's going to show and then it's going to go away. Let's watch it. Looks cool, doesn't it? Let's select the footage here, do a Command C to copy it, and let's go find the other areas. So I want to do one right here, Command V to paste it in. Let's see where it ends up being. All right, that's a good spot for it to be. Let's come over here to the next one. That's a good spot for it to be. Let's go to the next one. That's a little in the wrong spot. So let's delete the diamond on the right and the left, and let's reposition these. Let's bring the position over to the right and up so it's over the sword. And then let's bring the timeline over to the left a little bit and go to 0, and then Option drag that diamond to the right, and let's watch it. Oh, that's awesome. And let's do the last one. The last one's in the right place too. Okay, now let's watch that.
Enough distractions! Prepare to meet your doom!
Oh no, my doom! Which, by the way, will be so convincing once they add the whoosh sound in post.
Stop ruining the immersion!
Immersion? Dude, your elbow joint's loose. You're wobbling like a drunken astronaut.
My suit has slight malfunction. Now, prepare to meet your doom!
Aw, I can't walk like this.
Cut!